अस्सलाम वालेकुम नादरीन, प्रोग्राम दूसरा रुख में खुशामदीद। मैं हूं आपका मेज़बान नादिर गुरामानी। नादरीन, इस वक्त बैनुल-अक़वामी सतह पर अगर देखें तो कई चेंजेस जो हैं वो सामने आ रही हैं और इसी के साथ साथ यूरोपी यूनियन की जानिब से जो पाकिस्तान के साथ GSP प्लस हो, इंसानी हुकूक़ के हवाले से, डेथ पेनल्टी के हवाले से जो मुख्तलिफ इशूज़ हैं वो उन पर भी बातचीत होती रही है। माजी में भी इस हवाले से मुलाकातें हुई, लेकिन ओवरऑल जिन तहफ़्फ़ुज़ात का इजहार किया जाता है, जो सवालात उठाए जाते हैं, उसी हवाले से हम मुख्तलिफ इशूज़ पर गुफ्तगू करेंगे। पाकिस्तान में यूरोपी यूनियन के एम्बेसडर जो हैं वो हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, हम उनके साथ गुफ्तगू करेंगे। और हाल ही में जो EU इंडो-पैसिफिक मिनिस्ट्रियल कॉन्फ्रेंस है, जो फोरम उनकी जो मीटिंग है वो भी होने जा रही है, तो उससे यूरोपी यूनियन क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है, क्या नताइज जो हैं उससे आ सकते हैं, इन तमाम इशूज़ पर हम गुफ्तगू करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस मिस्टर एम्बेसडर। I think this is your first time to Pakistan and you have recently come to Pakistan. How's the experience?
Yes, it's two and a half months in Pakistan, but really a very intensive agenda. We have quite a lot of incoming visits, but also visits of Pakistani government to Brussels. So it's good. Also, really have excellent team, which is also good, and of course we are looking forward. My team, we are working with Pakistan. Of course, I represent first of all the European Union and interests of the European Union. Also, my mandate is the enhancement of the relations between the European Union and Pakistan. But on the other hand, of course, really that our approach of our cooperation, it is the stability, but also what we could do together for the prosperity and sustainable harmonious development of this beautiful country, which is Pakistan.
If I'm not wrong, recently you have been to Hunza, Gilgit, and recently you also visited Karachi. How did you find?
Not yet, not okay. Hunza, but Karachi, yes. With the opening of the European Film Festival and the meeting with the Federation of Pakistani Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Then we had a few, other meeting with the government and other. It's really very vibrant city, but also it's very, very important city. It's the probably most important commercial center of Pakistan. On the other hand, yes, I was not still in the north, so because of the busy agenda now in our days, but I could say that I saw the northern part of Pakistani mountains from further north, which means from Tajikistan, where I served three years as European Union ambassador. So, but in general, I really like the country. I like the hospitality, so the people, the atmosphere here. So I don't feel that this really full stranger here.
Okay, but there is an important meeting of EU Indo-Pacific Ministerial Forum. What does EU expect from that forum?
Yeah, it is the platform for cooperation of the very, very big region, which from the eastern coast of Africa till islands in Pacific. Well, in this forum, around 80 delegations will participate from the region and from Europe. Well, it's the forum for the European Union is implementation of Indo-Pacific strategy, which was adopted in 2019. It's about covering these areas as sustainable and inclusive prosperity. It's about green transition, which is important really here. It's about digital. It's about connectivity. It's about oceans. It's about security and defense, and of course about security of human. And it's provide the platform. On one hand, how European Union could help development of the region. On the other hand, what we could do together, addressing both the challenges in the region, how we could together develop relations between the European Union and the region, and of course how we together could address the challenges, the global challenges as all the region. For European Union, the region as such is very important. It's 60% of economy, 2/3 of the world population, and also, well, the challenges, and also the region with whom European Union has the relations, but on the other hand, it's relevant to expand these relations. So, we very much expect that the discussions which will take place, they will be about the resilience, about the cooperation, and about the challenges ahead. We are very glad that Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister Dar will participate, and he will play a very important role, both the plenary, but also the session on security, which is really very important, both for the region, and we know that for Pakistan, also participation in maritime in infrastructure related issues. Well, we very much expect that it will have additional impetus for further development of the relations. Well, speaking about the region, European Union and Indo-Pacific region, but specifically with Pakistan, the enhancement of the relations, which are really also very good in a lot of areas of our cooperation.
नाज़रीन, यहाँ पर एक मुख्तसर सा ब्रेक लेते हैं और ब्रेक के बाद गुफ्तगू को आगे